whipping in the cold. I want a V12 in the ship, be making moves in a geeked up. Shawty dancing on the pole, and I'm with a best friend when I'm sparking up a bowl. Last night saw you at the club, color two-faced, blue bills leaking out the bag, feel that blue swing. All black, stepping on the gas, fuck a fast lane, locked up, find me in the crib, call it no name. I'm a no name, shawty like the gold face, rolling in the fender with a baddie, sipping champagne, smoking propane, walking with a sweet.
What's good, YouTube, and good morning, good evening, good night, whenever y'all are watching this. We are going to be dropping off the Charger at UMS Tuning to get some tuning done. Y'all watched my last video, y'all seen or heard. Having a little bit of field issues. It starts up fine, like in the beginning, but if you go to mess with it later on, then it doesn't do anything. But that's what we got planned right now. Just go drop it off at the shop, and I'll see y'all when we get there. Peace. What's good, y'all? We are here at UMS. I almost said EMS Tuning. UMS Tuning. Check them out. Get this bad boy dropped off. Ooh. Not gonna have it for a couple weeks, so hopefully we get it back sooner than later. But for right now, we're gonna hang out, check out what they got in the shop. I can't show that, but I'm gonna check out what's in the shop. Come check my boys out, bro. Come check them out. Come get right. Damn. This is the shop. Well, it's not the shop. It's kind of where they have everybody hang out and wait. Not new to this, just true to this. Y'all come check them out, man. UMS Tuning. Dobson and Broadway. Let them know RT Gilbert sent you. Boom. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. What's good, y'all? So we got a little different. We're not in the Charger right now. We are in the Toyota, the Yoda. We are going to a meet with my boy, well, my brother. I think my other brother is gonna be going. I'm not for sure, but I know one of my brothers is going for sure. It's a drop Lexus, making like 5 to the wheel, almost 600 on nitrous. It's a that thing's badass, man. I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna go to QT, we're gonna grab some drinks, and then I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a little bit. My brother's an LS 430. I didn't tell the chat completely what was done with it, but if you want to give them a breakdown, besides the fucking steering wheel comes off.
Stock. It's stock.
Stock turbo, stock everything. But like I said, guys, LS 430. I'm gonna make sure I get the name right, because I called it LS 400 last time and he got mad. He was salty. LS 430 though. Show y'all real quick. LS 430. Angle kit in front. It's got some junk in the trunk.
You want something?
We can't show them that. It's not gonna pass 8-dot regulations.
Shit.
Alright, we're gonna catch you guys when we get to the spot. This bad boy got bucket seats, bro. But we're gonna go ahead and get this shit, chill out for a little bit. We have a meetup spot we're gonna go to, and then we will go from there. Well, chat, now we have a fuel issue. The Jenny, this thing's squatted so fucking crazy. Dirty, bro. Hey, bro, why is she so dirty? Hunter? Hey, wait. Why is she so dirty, bruh?
I haven't gone to the car wash.
Ah, leave. Chad, I think the last time I seen this bitch at the car wash was like 3 weeks ago.
Bro, I don't know what the hell that is, bro.
That's a cat pissing down your shit. That's what no, it's just kidding.
Hey, watch.
Bro, you too. Clean this goddamn car, bro.
Huh?
Damn.
Stock Lexus. Stock Lexus.
I'm telling her to clean the goddamn car, chat. Ooh, I can't stand him, chat. I can't. Hey, go kid.
I'm airing out my suspension.
I'm gonna have to get on their ass, chat. The car is dirt.
It's got a lot.
He said nah.
Yeah, not too rich though, but
Swap with it.
yeah, 1J CD09 transmission, so it's a manual.
Same. Mine's a 4.3.
Nice. Yeah, I like
Man, yo, with the bucket seats, some Lexus boys, something else. Is that a tome? Bucket seats. That's motherfucking clean, bro.
So I'm like, I don't know. The guy said it was because of cats.
Yeah, but I think if they were plugged, you'd notice a lot.
Lexus, boy. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a fan of the Lexus, especially this one. This year right here, this is the year. I love these things. And then I just found out that that one's making them a 6 to the wheel. That thing's
I
nasty.
don't know what happened here.
Got a couple cars out here.
It was fine. It was fine a minute ago.
Clean setup.
I must have like speak on
Yeah,
this
right.
bumper is stupid low.
Yeah.
Oh, this fucking helmet is hard. That's a raw ass helmet. BBS's, son. That bitch is on BBS's. That motherfucker clean. I like this. This is clean. You're a hater. That's a hard ass hood. Biker boys outside. That's kind of hard, bro. Ooh, 241, what? This bitch is sick. This bitch is clean.
It was up the road, bro. I waited
Tony.
Okay, then it's not gonna turn. So have a wide tire just with the bare radius you're gonna get.
Dakota.
Like 15.
Yeah, that's just tight.
We got a car. Oh.
Ooh, we
Only gonna go. You will not turn.
Paul boys. Shout him out, y'all, or her out, whatever it is. I'm fucking tight though. You see that motherfucker is tight. Oh, I'm from Mesa, so
Yeah, I
got
was
you.
down here for some parties, so I stopped by.
Yeah, that's what's up. I'm just kidding. Oh no, chap! You heard the conversation 30 seconds ago. We were talking shit. I like this hood. What the fuck?
Talk with God. That's what his life split says.
What is it?
So fucking.
Talk with God. I have. He tells me I ain't right. They got the bands in the cut. Oh, this thing low key got hit hard, son. Oh! The bend's dirty. I want these rims,
He
bro.
don't want me in.
These are the rims I want. It's sort of, kind of. I don't know. But everybody's saying that my hood isn't a Hellcat hood. Kiss my. What's the word, YouTube family? The Charger is home. Picked her up on Friday. Picked it up on Friday. We got everything figured out. Even a couple issues that I had brought up to them, they got everything figured out. So we finally can go ahead and drive it. I got to put some miles on it so they can do some diagging on a couple of things that they want to look at. Analog some stuff, but she is home. Why, yeah. Let's get it started. This has been a couple of days after the little car event that we went to and everything like that. It's Sunday, so this is kind of late. I'm gonna be posting this really, really late, actually. But I'm happy that she's home. And we are back. So that's basically it on this video. Just a couple of little videos of us at a little car meet, talk about the Charger fuel issues, and now the Charger is back. So we are good to go. Do a couple of drives, and I will see you guys on the next video. Deuces.